Python can be installed in Windows using following methods. First one is through the full installer exe, which comes through the Python.org official website. They provide various releases information there. From that we can pick any distribution. And second one is through anaconda.org. It's the Anaconda Navigator. Along with the Python distribution, this comes with various tools like Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, Qt Console, Spider, Glue, Orange, even RStudio, Visual Studio Code, like that. Okay. Then third one is through the Microsoft Store. So this one gives a Python app like that. That Python app can be downloaded from there and installed it. So it automatically there also we can pick whichever the version we want. And fourth one is through the Windows subsystem for Linux. Like a subsystem can be installed in Linux subsystem can be installed in Windows. That also through a Windows Store app. In that again we can install the Python through the various releases information.